Have you ever looked in the mirror, sighed quietly, and thought, I don't know what happened. My clothes just don't look right anymore? You blame your age. You blame your body. Sometimes you even blame the mirror. But what if I told you it isn't your age that's making you look older? It's your wardrobe. Now, before you click away, hear me out, because this isn't about chasing youth. At Golden Ebony, we don't believe in pretending to be 30 when we're 60. We believe in something far more powerful. We believe in becoming the most elegant version of ourselves at every stage of life. Today, I want to share something that completely changed the way I think about style after 50. The women who walk into a room and immediately command attention, the women who seem effortlessly elegant, the women everyone remembers, almost never have the biggest wardrobes. They simply avoid a handful of mistakes that quietly age everyone else. The heartbreaking part is this: most Black women over 50 were never taught these things. We were taught to hide, to play it safe, to choose comfort over confidence, to believe that once we reached a certain age, elegance belonged to younger women. Nothing could be further from the truth. I believe a woman over 50 has something a 25-year-old can never buy: presence, grace, wisdom, confidence earned through experience. When those qualities are paired with intentional style, the result is unforgettable. If you've ever opened your closet full of clothes and still whispered, I have nothing to wear, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your wardrobe the same way again. And I have a feeling that mistake number 7 is the one almost everyone watching is making right now. Mistake number 1: wearing clothes that are too big because they feel comfortable. Let's start with the mistake I see more than any other: oversized everything. The oversized cardigan, the oversized blouse, the oversized dress, the oversized pants. Somewhere in the journey of getting older, many women begin believing that hiding their bodies makes them look younger. It doesn't. It usually does the exact opposite. Now, let me be very clear. I'm not talking about wearing tight clothing. Golden Ebony isn't about squeezing yourself into outfits that make you uncomfortable. Elegance should never hurt. But there's a huge difference between comfort and hiding. When your clothes are several sizes larger than your body, they erase your natural shape. Instead of seeing you, people only see fabric. Beautiful, mature style isn't about showing more skin, it's about showing your silhouette. Your body still deserves definition. Your waist still deserves acknowledgement. Your shoulders still deserve structure. One of the simplest changes you can make today is choosing clothes that gently skim your body instead of swallowing it. Wide leg trousers that move beautifully, a softly tailored blazer, a wrap dress, a flowing blouse with shape. That's the difference between looking comfortable and looking effortlessly elegant. Because confidence doesn't come from hiding, it comes from allowing yourself to be seen. Mistake number 2: wearing safe colors that quietly drain your beauty. Black women over 50 often don't need more makeup. They don't need expensive jewelry. Sometimes they simply need different colors. For years, we've been told that getting older means dressing in black, gray, beige, navy, brown. While those colors have their place, wearing only muted shades slowly steals your radiance. Your melanin-rich skin deserves colors that bring it to life. Instead of seeing your beautiful face, people notice the darkness surrounding it. That's why so many women look in the mirror and think, I look tired. No, you're wearing tired colors. Imagine replacing charcoal with emerald green, black with rich burgundy, harsh white with soft ivory, royal blue, warm camel, plum, olive green, chocolate brown. These colors celebrate your beauty instead of hiding it. Hold different colors beside your face in natural daylight. Watch what happens. Some colors brighten your eyes, others soften your skin. The right color doesn't make people compliment your sweater. It makes them say, "You look amazing today." And that's exactly what elegant style should do. Mistake number 3, keeping clothes for the woman you used to be. Open your closet. How many pieces are hanging there because maybe one day I'll fit into them again? I spent too much money. I'll wear this after I lose weight. You're not alone. Thousands of women live with wardrobes full of guilt. Every morning, they open the closet and see disappointment instead of possibility. The dress that doesn't zip, the jeans that haven't fit in years, the jacket waiting for a body that no longer exists. Here's what I want you to hear. Your body isn't the problem. Your closet is. Your wardrobe should celebrate the woman standing in front of the mirror today, not punish her for who she used to be. Your body has carried you through life. It deserves kindness. The moment your clothes fit your current body, you stop apologizing, you stop hiding, you stop adjusting your clothes every few minutes. You begin showing up with confidence. This weekend, choose 5 pieces you've been holding on to because of guilt. Thank them, then let them go. Because making space in your closet often makes space in your life. Mistake number 4, wearing outdated styles instead of timeless style. Getting older doesn't mean your style should get older. Many women wear clothes they bought 20 years ago simply because they're still in good condition. But clothes can be well preserved and still look outdated. The cut, the sleeves, the neckline, the proportions, all of these things quietly age an outfit. Instead of chasing trends, refresh your classics. Choose beautifully tailored blazers, straight leg or wide leg trousers, simple knit dresses, crisp white shirts. Timeless pieces never belong to one decade, they belong to every decade. Fashion follows the calendar, style follows the woman. Mistake number 5, ignoring the power of tailoring. 2 women can wear the exact same outfit. One looks expensive, the other doesn't. The difference is almost always the fit. Tailoring transforms ordinary clothes into expensive clothes. Shorten the sleeves, adjust the waist, hem the trousers. Small changes create extraordinary results. Don't buy more clothes, make your favorite clothes fit beautifully. Mistake number 6, choosing the wrong fabrics. Fabrics speak before you do. Cheap fabrics wrinkle quickly, lose their shape, cling in all the wrong places. Quality fabrics move beautifully. Soft cotton, quality linen, silk blends, fine knits, lightweight wool. As Black women over 50, movement becomes part of our elegance. Your clothes shouldn't fight your body, they should move with it. Mistake number 7, believing accessories don't matter. People rarely remember the outfit. They remember the finishing touch, beautiful earrings, a structured handbag, elegant glasses, a silk scarf. One intentional accessory tells a complete story. Minimalism doesn't mean wearing nothing, it means choosing one beautiful thing with purpose. Your accessories should whisper elegance, not shout for attention. Mistake number 8, dressing to hide your body instead of honoring it. Oversized clothing often makes women disappear. Instead of making you look smaller, it hides your beautiful shape. Honoring your body doesn't mean wearing tight clothes. It means wearing clothes that acknowledge your silhouette. Wrap dresses, long line blazers, flowing trousers, soft structure. Your body has earned respect. Dress it accordingly. Mistake number 9. Wearing clothes that reflect your past instead of your present. You're not the same woman you were 30 years ago. Your wardrobe shouldn't be either. Every few years, your style deserves to grow with you. Dress for the woman you've become, not the woman you used to be. Mistake number 10. Waiting for the perfect time to dress beautifully. I'll buy better clothes after I lose weight, after I retire, after I have more money. So we wait. Meanwhile, life keeps moving. You deserve to feel beautiful today, not someday. Confidence doesn't always come after the outfit. Sometimes the outfit helps create the confidence. When you dress with intention, you remind yourself that you still matter, that your story isn't over. Elegance isn't about impressing people. It's about honoring yourself. So remember these 10 wardrobe mistakes not to criticize yourself, but to free yourself. You don't need designer labels. You don't need a younger body. You don't need permission. You simply need to dress like the remarkable woman you already are. If today's conversation encouraged you, tell me in the comments which mistake surprised you the most. Here at Golden Ebony, we celebrate fashion over 50, confidence after 50, timeless beauty, and elegant living for Black women over 50. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay elegant, stay confident, stay beautifully, unapologetically you. Golden Ebony loves you.